Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make this video because I have a couple small problems with this locomotive. So this is my Hornby R2340 A4 golden Plover. It's the actual engine. I still have the box right here. Put it in focus. There it is, golden Plover. The product code doesn't say anything on the side. It didn't come with the side. Yeah. So what I mean by problems is that this engine, it performs really well. It's just I have a couple of issues with it, and the first issue I'm going to show you now. So I just took the front truck off, and the reason being, and the first problem, is that ever since I first got this engine, I can get it to focus. Look at that. This screw, for some reason, this thing will not open. I would try to open this locomotive 2 times, and I'm scared to death to break this. This is a really fragile locomotive. It's highly detailed, and I really don't want to damage anything about this engine. So what I need to do, I am not sure, but ever since I first got it, I would try to lubricate the worm gear that this thing has to drive the engine, but I cannot get this thing open unless I do something with it. I don't know. Yeah, this is one of the first issues that I have. As you can see, that there's a bunch of metal scratches. Yeah, just mainly scratches by trying to get this thing open. So if you have anything to say about how to get this thing open or how to deal with this problem, please let me know. So just put the truck back on the engine and sitting on the tracks now. And the other main issue that I get a lot with this engine is that little guy right there. This little linkage, for some reason, and I don't know why, whenever the locomotive is going in this direction, let's say if it's going this way, both forward and reverse when it's pointing in this direction. When it goes around a curve or a bend or whatever, that little linkage there snaps right off. But when you go in the opposite direction, or this engine is pointing in the opposite direction and it's going both forward and reverse, this thing is completely fine. So I even had a quick look at the instructions to see what I can do. Okay, I got the instructions out. I'll show you what I mean in a minute, but I'm going to give you a little idea of what I'm talking about. There's the engine. You can see that little linkage moving. Let's see if I can get it. Got it. Ah, you hear that snap? Stuck. It's stuck. Yep. There it goes. Oh, I forgot to switch track, but look at that. Bam. The thing is hanging off by a thread. Okay, let's see if I can try to put this on. Excuse my fingers being in the way. Maybe instructions. Damn it. For some reason, I doubt I can get this on camera. I'm trying to take my eyes off the viewfinder. Oh, I just got it. Huh. Yeah. See, I've done this so many times. Feels like I've just done it right. And I think the reason, if I just put this, flip this back over, like thus. So yeah, and if we look at the instructions, It feels like that problem is happening is because of that. This little piece right here. For some reason this engine doesn't have it. And I have a new arrival coming in today, or probably tomorrow. I'm saying tomorrow. But yeah, or I don't know if it'll come tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, it doesn't have that piece right there. Does every A4 have to have it? And I think my new arrival will have that for sure. But for some reason mine doesn't. And does that have to happen on all A4s? Which is what I'm wondering, because mine doesn't have it, like I just said. And I think that's what's causing that problem that I always get. So I'm pretty much just asking you for a little bit of help, even though I really don't like to fix locomotives, even if they're really hard to find, because I can tell this one's probably pretty hard to find. Because when I was looking to get a BR A4, I was not expecting this to pop up. I was looking to get a BR A4 when I got this, but I didn't expect it to be Golden Plover. I pretty much didn't care what it was. Didn't care if it was Mallard, Dominion of Canada, whatever. I just wanted a BR A4, and this popped up on eBay. A guy from Buffalo, New York was selling it, and I picked it up. I'll show you running by the other way with coaches in a minute. You can see how fine this thing sorry, I can't talk today. How fine this thing runs. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.